Today we're talking about the Bentist Zero Pro Toothpaste and whether you should actually buy it in 2026 because honestly, this toothpaste started getting a lot of attention online recently, especially on TikTok, YouTube, and dental-related content, and a lot of people are asking the same question. Is this toothpaste actually good or is it just internet hype? So in this video, I'm going to break down what the Bentist Zero Pro Toothpaste really is, what makes it different, the pros, the cons, and whether it's actually worth trying. First, what is the Bentist Zero Pro Toothpaste? This is a whitening toothpaste created by the Bentista dentist and online creator, known for dental and orthodontic content. The toothpaste is marketed as a cleaner and more modern formula focused on whitening, fresh breath, and enamel-friendly ingredients. One of the biggest things people notice immediately is that the toothpaste avoids some ingredients found in traditional toothpaste, depending on the versions such as SLS peroxide or harsh abrasives, and honestly, that's one reason it became popular with people who have sensitive teeth or gums. Now let's talk about whitening, because this is the biggest thing most buyers care about. The toothpaste does appear to help remove some surface stains over time, especially from coffee tea or daily buildup. But let's be honest for a second. This is not professional teeth whitening. And honestly, some ads online make people expect dramatic Hollywood white teeth overnight, but most realistic. Reviews say the results are gradual and fairly mild, especially compared to professional whitening treatments. Now another thing many users mention, the flavor. A lot of people online say the toothpaste tastes cleaner and less intense than traditional mint toothpastes. Some users love that, while others feel it does not leave the mouth feeling super minty enough. So honestly, that part comes down to personal preference. Now let's talk about sensitivity, because this is where many positive reviews appear. Some users with sensitive teeth say the formula feels gentler compared to stronger whitening toothpastes, especially people who normally experience irritation from aggressive whitening products. And honestly, that may be one of the strongest advantages of this toothpaste. Now another thing worth mentioning, the packaging and branding are clearly designed for social media audiences. And honestly, that's part of why the product went viral. The marketing feels modern, simple, and creator-focused, instead of looking like a traditional dental product. Now, let's talk about the negatives, because no product is perfect. Some users online say the toothpaste feels overpriced compared to regular store brands. Others say they did not notice major whitening results, especially after only a few weeks. And honestly, that's important to understand, because whitening toothpaste alone usually does not completely transform tooth color, especially for deeper stains. Now another important thing, this toothpaste is still mainly focused on cosmetic improvement and basic cleaning. It does not replace professional cleanings, dental care, or orthodontic treatment. And honestly, a lot of people online expect toothpaste alone to completely fix years of discoloration, which usually is not realistic. Now let's be honest for a second. The Bentist Zero Pro Toothpaste does appear to be a legitimate toothpaste product, not a fake scam product. And many users genuinely seem to enjoy the gentler formula, the branding, and the cleaner feeling after brushing. But honestly, whether it feels worth it depends heavily on your expectations. If you expect dramatic instant whitening, you may end up disappointed. But if you want a more modern whitening toothpaste with a gentler feel, you may actually like it. So, to wrap this up, the Bentist Zero Pro Toothpaste appears to be a real whitening toothpaste with mostly positive reactions online, especially for people wanting the milder, whitening sensitive teeth friendly formula and modern ingredients. But, honestly, it's probably not a miracle whitening product, and the biggest improvements most people notice are usually cleaner-feeling teeth, mild surface stain reduction, and fresher breath over time. So if you decide to try it, go in with realistic expectations, stay consistent, and remember that real long-term dental results still depend heavily on overall oral hygiene and professional care.